Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video, I will show you my latest device which I bought online. It's actually, I'll call it as a thermal grinder machine. Now it's currently heated up to 80-ish to 90 degrees Celsius. Now this thermal grinding machine has a capability to grind whatever food you put into it. At the same time, it will heat it. It's amazing, isn't it? You heat it and grind it. So that's why I call it as thermal grinding machine. Normally thermal grinders are meant for coffee, but this is not. So this is my recipe. I'll use 60 grams of barley. This barley is imported barley from Holland, the hand brand barley. Did you know it's from Holland? Well, I actually soak it into hot water, 60 degrees Celsius hot water for a while, and then clean off any dust residue from it, then rinse it, then I pour it in. That's why you see there's a condensation. Then an apple, cut it into bite size, an apple, followed by melon, dry melon, serve as sugar. So here it's roughly 4 pieces, one whole pieces, 4 of them, or 8 tiny pieces. All right, so add it in as sugar, or you can have brown sugar as well, but I do not use brown sugar, so I use melon, dry melon. Then add water till the 1.2 liter marking, and then this is the lid. Yeah, this side face the handle. You go in first. There you go. This is the correct way to do it, to close it properly. Then there are 8 features here and 2 buttons down there. Turn on the plug. This is in standby mode. Press this button. It toggles between features. So this is soybean. It means soybean. If you read Mandarin, it's soybean. 32 degrees Celsius, and it will take roughly 26 minutes. Okay, so this program help the heater. Lets the heater heat up to 32 degrees first, and then you started to see the the surface of the glass started to become warm already, and you started to see bubbles. Okay, started coming out from the base of it, meaning that it's heating up. Then I know it's heating up, right? So in the future, 26 minutes, I can do something else already. So after roughly 20 minutes later, I come back down here. It's very hot. I want to see how hot it is. So therefore, I actually insert my thermometer into it so that I want to check the temperature. And wow, it's at 80 degrees Celsius. It's heated up to 80 degrees Celsius. Amazing, isn't it? Because it's only 1.2 liters. I think suitable for 2 to 3 persons. All right. So it's going to grind, stop, it will heat, and then grind again, it will stop. So I think this is a very smart system. I like this product. I actually bought it online. Maybe I will put the link down here for you in case you want to know what is it called. Then to remove the lid, pull it out from the front, leave it out. And then it's ready to serve after 26 minutes, right? You can use it for barley apple like this, or you can use it for soybean meal, okay? And it has a delay start feature, meaning I can place my food or ingredient into it, and then ask this device to start next morning. Then my breakfast is ready by the time I wake up. So I put it into my vacuum flux. I can keep it for another few hours. I can drink it tomorrow morning, or I can ask the machine to start tomorrow morning and serve as my alarm clock as well. It's not too expensive, value for money, and I like it a lot. How to clean it? Cleaning process is even simpler. 500 ml water, cold water, close the lid, activate the cleaning process. There's a feature. The last one on the right hand side there, this one. This one means cleaning. Okay, maybe your machine and mine is different. So if the character look like this, it means cleaning. So it will be 60 seconds counting down. After 60 seconds later, then it's very clean already. Just wash and rinse it, wipe it dry, let it air dry it, and keep it into your cabinet, right? So very easy. I hope I know about this device sooner, but luckily I still found it at the end. Okay, it comes with a brush. You can clean it. right? In case there's residue trapped in between the knife, you don't touch it, okay? You don't touch the knife, use the brush, don't use the bristle provided. That's all from me. I hope you like my channel and appreciate thumbs up. Bye bye.